since I took apart the trans, I might as well show you guys the aftermath. So yeah, this started off as one video, now it's turning into three. But yeah, so that's the car. Turbo shit, huh? Yeah, it's turbo car. Let's put this already cramped engine bay and make it even cramped-ish. Crampter? Is that even a word? I don't know. But anyways, so as you previously saw, I showed you how to take the subframe out. And I'm in the process of pulling the trans, but turbo stuff's in the way. So pretty much you're gonna have to remove the battery, you're gonna have to remove the battery tray. ECU's in the way, so you got to remove that. Removed some of the charge piping, like the main pipe going into the throttle body. I separated that just so I can kind of wiggle it out the way. Took the air filter off so I could see the mount. What you're gonna have to do is unhook the shifter cables right here. And pulling these clips is sometimes a pain in the ass, so I just unbolt the whole bracket. Makes my life easier. And yeah, I'm lazy. And then you want to go around, make sure you unplug all the sensors that are on the trans. And where is it? If I can grab it. Hold on, digging for Jesus. This one right here is clipped onto the trans right about there in that general vicinity. Take a pair of pliers or something and just kind of pop the tab out just so it's free and it's not in the way. Then you got to unhook the slave cylinder, and I did an upgrade, so I've got a stainless steel line that I'll probably be rerouting when I pull this mount, because it's kind of dumb how I ran it this time. So it's in front of the mount right now. I think when I pull this mount and put the trans back in, I'll have to loop it around behind it so it just doesn't look stupid. Same thing with my feed line, which I kind of routed in a lazy manner, and I'll have to fix that. So I guess it's a kind of good thing that the trans broke, so I can fix some stuff that I've been procrastinating on. But yeah, so you're gonna have to get the trans out, you're gonna have to take this mount off, completely off, and then just go around the case and undo all the bolts that are holding it to the block. And I still got to I got to separate the starter too, which is buried all the way underneath there. Like you see here with my strong hand, right where the tip of my finger is, the starter's underneath that. So I'll probably just go from underneath since it's easier to reach that way with the subframe out. And yeah, this thing will be out today, and depending on how I feel, I might crack the case open. Good times. So there'll probably be, let me think about this. Let's think about life right now. Sun's in my face, and that doesn't look good. There'll probably be 4. It's gonna be 4 videos total, probably, off this one little spiel. But yeah. Let me let me keep tearing this apart, and when I get to the point where I'm about to pull the trans, I'll start recording again. This guy's no help. That's all he's been doing. Laying in different spots. You're not a good helper today. Hey guy. Hey. Hey. You're not a good helper. On a side note, let's just look at all the stuff that you have to take off to get to the trans. All that extra nonsense. This engine bay is tight to begin with, and I just made it even tighter. But wait, there's more. So we got battery tray and the bracket. Then there's the ECU. There's my catch can. That's holding miscellaneous bolts. Battery tray. Strut bar was in the way, so I took that out the way. There's my bike that I haven't got to ride at all this year. Spare block that one of these days I'll eventually build. And over there is the head that I need to send out to get ported.
One eternity later.
So we got the trans out. Success! Success! Now I got this big gaping hole where something used to be. Thanks to this guy, he came in clutch with the Harbor Freight trans jack, and he gave me a hand putting it on the table. I didn't really tell you how to take off this trans because I completely forgot, because fucking shit was not working the way it was supposed to. So, I don't know.
Hey, now you just gotta figure out what it is.
Yeah, I still gotta take this thing apart and figure it out.
What?
That'll be fun. No, I might take it apart tonight.
Oh, okay.
Or at least crack it open.
Okay.
Well, here. You have to take this bolt off, and this bolt. And there's one over here. And there's one here. And yeah, there's two down there. I don't know. If you really need to know, just ask me. What's going on, guys? So when I started this whole ordeal today, I was planning on having little tutorials on how to like take the trans apart, drop the subframe, yada yada yada. But as the day progressed, I just kind of wanted to get it done. But I figure since I took apart the trans, I might as well show you guys the aftermath. So what we got here, first off, I took that sensor out, and yeah, that's not right. And then I popped the case off, and I don't know if you can see, but there's a whole bunch of shavings right around. Let's see if I can do this. Come on. Right around here. Whole bunch of shavings. But the weird part was, when I was draining the fluid, you didn't see any of that. It was like coming out clean. And then, take a look here. And Yeah, I totally shredded 4th gear. Like, it's super done. You've got all these shaved off teeth there. There's all that down there. A little bit there. There were little bits and pieces over here, but I started messing around with the magnet. And then I just stopped and figured I might as well record this. So, if you're wondering how good the transmissions are, I mean, I kind of knew this was going to happen. So I'm not really that mad about it. I'm surprised I got 3 months out of the car before something broke. Yeah. So this is what happens when you put 420 wheel horsepower to a stock trans. Either that or I just got super bad luck. But, I mean, if you have any questions about, like, pulling the axles, dropping the subframe, or even taking apart the trans, just hit me up. Throw something in the comments. I check them all the time, so I'll answer them. And if not, I mean, shoot me a message on, like, Instagram. I'm always checking my messages, so I'll reply to everybody. Might not get to you back. I might not get back to you right away, but I will get back to you. And tomorrow, I'll be waiting to hear from my buddy on how much parts are. So, I'm tired. Gonna put away the tools and get something to eat and go the fuck to sleep. Peace.